Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Woodle. Today we are going to learn this beautiful Teacher's Day card. And when we open it, it will be pop up. So let's start making it. Take your paper. One should be white and you can take any color papers. Scissor, glue stick, few boulders. Let's start. First, we will take our white sheet and make the base of our card. Same as we have done earlier, fold it and make a base. Our base is ready. Now take any color sheet and we need one rectangle from the sheet. Let's cut rectangle. Like this, cut a rectangle, fold it from the center and cut from side also. This will be our thank you note for our teacher and this will be the pop-up also. So let's write thank you note. You can write any message whatever you want to give to your teacher. Like this we can make our thank you note. You can decorate it in any way you want. See, I have not written here. I have written here inside the rectangle. Now we will paste this on the top of our white sheet, but be very careful, it should be in the center like this. Like this we will paste it in the center and make a line for its marking. It should be with this line only. Now next step is to cut this. Take your scissor and cut it. It should be on the line. This is how you will cut it. We will not cut from the center. We will cut only border lines. Now we have to cut this also from both sides. This is how it will look after cutting from all the sides. Like this, you can see from here also. Now the most important point, how to fold it. Fold it like this. Now hold this and fold it like this. This side also. There will be lines like this. Hold it from the back, press it and turn it. When you will open it, our pop-up is ready. Now we need to paste a sheet on the top. Take any color sheet you want. I will take this sheet. Put Fevistick on the sheet and paste it. And cut the extra one. This is how it will look after pasting. Now cut this extra one from all the sides. Make sure you have not pasted this center one. Paste only flaps from this side to this side and from this side to this side. So it will look like this. When you open it, it will be pop-up. When you close it, it will be a complete card. Now let's start decorating our top panel. Now it's a time to make this badge. For this badge, I have taken 6 strips of same size and 2 small strips. Let's start making it. We need to set our strips like this. First we will make cross, slant, slant. If you feel there is more space, you can put it in between also. Now paste it from the center. It will look like this after pasting. Like this. Now take this strip, the center one, and start pasting it like this. Put very slight Fevistick. Now one by one start pasting all the strips. It will look like this after folding all the strips on one another. Now take these two strips, fold it properly and cut it from the center. First from here till center, and again from this side till center. Like this. It will give a ribbon look. Now we will paste it like this and it will be a badge. It will look like this, like a badge. Now cut a circle of any color and write number 1 teacher or whatever you want to write. I will write here number 1 teacher. And paste it in the center. Paste it like this in the center and keep it aside. It will be dry. Until now we will make our borders. Cut 2 strips according to the size of your card for the borders, and as usual, like we give borders, cut it in your way. Today I will cut in a zigzag way. If you feel it is difficult, you can draw with pencil. And now we will set it. You can set according to your choice. I will set like this. I will leave some pink space also. If you wish, you can leave. If you don't want, you can. Your wish. You can make it upside or you can make it downside also. Like this, we will paste our borders and then we will write Happy Teacher's Day. But just remember, we need to paste our badge also. If you feel, you can mark lines. Let's write Happy Teacher's Day. You can write like this, paste it, and you can decorate your borders according to your choice. Here also you can write like this we have done. In this one you can decorate it. You can write your messages here, and also you can decorate your borders like this. So here we have learned our beautiful and pop-up Teacher's Day card. Let's meet in another video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.